My beautiful friends, how are you all doing? Please ensure to watch this video multiple times before making your first attempt. If you don't like an explainer like this, don't worry. At the end of the video, I'm gonna just let you play without talking. And don't forget, I've got a Telegram channel and group. The links are gonna be in the description. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to your boy's YouTube channel. And most importantly, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Now let's dive right into this. The first thing we're going to do is to bring this down, move this way, bring this down, move the key this and this to the left. Let's watch that. Down to the right, bring that down. The key goes backwards, and also backwards. Now I can move this up also, then push this in so this can go up. Okay, do that. Let's go. Now I'm gonna return this. Watch that. Okay, return, and the reason is so this can go down. Then I'm gonna push this way a bit, push it up, and watch what happens. The key passes. Let's play without talking now.